Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the phone to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, what you want to do is open up the file manager application, which for me it is right over here. Select allow, and you should see your two storages, so phone and SD card. Now I'll start with the phone itself because that's where I think my files are, although I could be wrong, but there they are. So anyway, as you can see, there's a bunch of folders in here, and there's, to be honest, only a couple folders that are important. So that would be a DCIM, downloads, and pictures folder. Now DCIM contains pictures and videos captured with the device, downloads folder contains anything that I have downloaded, and pictures folder contains just screenshots. So once you find your files, you want to select them, and you do so by simply holding them. There we go. As you can see, once you hold them, they become checked, and then you can quickly tap on additional ones to select more. Once you have your files selected, you have a couple options. You can either copy them, which will create duplicates, or move them, which will completely remove them from where they are right now and move them to a new location, which is what I'm gonna go with, assuming I can. So apparently, as you just seen, when you select them, this is the copy option and this is the move. Now this is the weirdest move I have ever seen. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna go with. And from here, you want to navigate to where you want to move them to. So go just tap right here, and this will take you just to the phone storage, but you can also tap right here and change the storage type to, as an example, SD card. And from here you can move them to anywhere you like, which I'll just drop them right here. And as you can see, there are the two screenshots. So anyway, this is how you remove or copy any kind of file from one location to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.